It's no secret that politics are broken, no matter where in the world you live. For the first time in history, we now have at least two sets of realities, two completely different set of facts. The problem can be sourced in a large part to the major social networks that are programmed to show us news and information that they think matches what we want to see, creating echo chambers that's driving people apart and into different camps, all in order to maximize the time we spend on social networks so they can deliver those eyeballs to their corporate advertisers and maximize their profits. Broken politics makes it impossible for society to get most anything accomplished, including urgent issues such as the climate crisis that's destroying our planet and out-of-control income inequality that's playing a big part in dividing society and further breaking our politics and ability to get things done. To make things worse, technologies such as the internet and mobile devices are making it easier for anyone with a lot of money to monopolize entire global industries, pulling income and wealth away from most people and into the hands of a small number of individuals. So what's the solution? Start a movement by delivering a new social platform that's been designed to combat and reverse those issues on a global basis. The platform has been built to fight inequality by pushing billions of dollars in revenues to its users as opposed to shareholders. It's able to do that since it, uniquely, never accepted capital from Wall Street, Silicon Valley, or any other investors. The platform does not sell ads to corporations and therefore has no need to create echo chambers that divide society just to keep users on longer and drive more profits. The platform also attacks the climate crisis by combating consumerism and the need to manufacture and consume natural resources. This is accomplished by enabling the sharing of everything. Does the sharing of everything sound inconvenient? Think again. Just imagine having anything you want or need delivered to you in 30 minutes or less for virtually free. That's the very definition of convenience for consumers, not so much for billionaires and corporations that need to show quarter-over-quarter profit growth based on manufacturing and selling us millions of things we'll hardly use. There are so many other benefits that come to mind from this platform that it's easy to see why over 1,000 computer engineers over a 20-year period gave so freely to this project with their time and energy, or why hundreds of thousands of test users gave so much time and money, $250 million, to absolutely make sure the project succeeds. And now it's up to us to ensure the platform reaches the masses. We're now launching the platform in city after city around the world, and we're starting in a very methodical and focused way, starting with colleges and universities in cities everywhere. Why colleges? Well, that's where many, if not most, significant movements have started. From Greensboro, Vietnam, Black Lives Matter, to Tiananmen Square, Arab Spring, apartheid, and the Green Revolution, these all started with college and university students. College students have a distinct history and responsibility to step up when the call comes, and this time is no different and no less important than the other times in history. In fact, this time, the issues that are menacing our planet and our communities are global and existential, threatening all of humanity. So, who are the people behind this movement, and what makes them qualified to think this platform is the solution to some of the world's largest issues? The movement consists of technologists, college students, and university professors, and thousands of everyday citizens from virtually every country in the world that have spent years of their lives working on, designing, building, and testing the products and technologies. Over that time, in order to build the platform, they had to invent hundreds of technologies, including apps and social networks, transactions within apps, virtual currency, and transactions over mobile phones. Many of their inventions have official patents issued by the US government. To give you a sense of how pervasive and important these inventions are, here's just a small sample of the corporations that have publicly acknowledged and are referencing these inventions in their own public filings with the US government. The platform is the first in the world to successfully fuse together its own social network, marketplace for products and services, virtual currency, and crowdsourced management and workforce system that takes care of everything from customer service and education to marketplace and community moderation, dispute management, and nearly 100 other tasks needed for the platform to operate. It's been designed to be democratic, to be managed by a president that's elected by user vote, not shareholder control, making it truly top to bottom a platform of, by, and for the people. It's been tested by hundreds of thousands of alpha test users. And the marketing approach to bring on consumers and local merchants has also been well tested, successfully signing up and bringing in over 100,000 local merchants and millions of college and university students. Along the way, some of the world's biggest corporations and richest billionaire tech investors have tried to buy some or all of the platform. Each and every time, the community blocked them, choosing to stay true to the mission to ensure the platform would always be able to stay of, by, and for the people. And now that the platform, the product and technologies, marketing and sales approaches have all been developed and extensively tested, it's your turn. This is your chance to make an immediate impact by attacking the world's largest problems.